Hey guys, this is what my stomach looked like after giving birth to 4 children. You can see no changing of color, nothing. And it is due to what I eat, because during my pregnancy, I read about pregnancy, I read about during pregnancy and after pregnancy. So this changing of stomach or all this plenty stretch marks, not like as if I do not have. I have under my stomach. I don't know if you guys can see it under the stomach. And I have never gone to gym or involved myself in any exercise. Everything I do is in my home. But this tummy exercise, that is the only thing I do. And during the pregnancy, you should know that there are things that you're supposed to eat. There are things that time that you're supposed to eat, and there are things that you're supposed to apply on your stomach to change all this running around after pregnancy. Yes, so and after pregnancy also, there are things that you're supposed to do. There are things that you're supposed to eat, and there are things that you're also supposed to apply on your stomach to also, you avoid this changing of stomach or all this stretch mark and all that. And during your pregnancy, there are things that you're supposed to also avoid. Even all this, when your stomach is itching you and you are scratching the stomach, you should know that as a result, it will all this stretch mark or wrinkle, all these things after pregnancy, it will be filled. You will see the result on your stomach. Like in this video right now, I want to teach you how you will properly band, you know, your tummy. Yes, how you should properly band your tummy, and how you can properly use your tummy belt. If you are the one that have tummy belt, you don't need to break a bank in order to still healthy, look good. If you don't have money for to reduce fat from here, if you are not a type that have huge amount of money to go to proper, all these big hospital where they can help you. They are in this big hospital, they will give you something, all this thing that something that look like this that you will use to band your stomach. I will give you something that you will use instead of this if you don't have money to get this, in order to band your stomach and get the same result also. And I will tell you guys that after giving birth, you don't need all this plenty hot water. All this hot water that will be so hot that we African, especially we Nigerians, that we are using. You don't need it. You just need a mere hot water to just press on your stomach. Then you will band yourself or you will use your tummy belt. So guys, disclaimer, I am not a doctor. I am not a specialist. Yes, I am not a specialist on this aspect. I am just here to share my experience, what worked for me. So if you are a type that is planning to get pregnant, or you are pregnant, or you are about to give birth, this video is for you. So if you guys like what this video entails, I want you to click on the like button and subscribe for more video like this. In my next video, I'll be teaching you guys what to apply on your stomach, time and what to eat during pregnancy that will that will help you to avoid all this unnecessary plenty talk after your stomach. So right now, let's get into the real deal of today. How to properly band your stomach. Um, in this video, I will not be using something like this. I will be using something that you will use instead of something like this. Yes, all this thing that I'm about to use, every one of us have it at home. Even the average one and the rich ones, you can use it. So this is it. This is it. This is a wrapper. Yes, this is a wrapper. So I'll be using wrapper, you know, to band. You will join the wrappers and join it. Join it this way. Just join it. Join it until you get, you know, make so that it will be long. All the wrappers in your home, you can join it like this. So this is it. See guys, this is it. You can see. This is the first step. You understand? How you can band your stomach. This is the first. This is the then the you can see. You can see. You can see. This is how you do it until you get. You understand? You get up to this place. Then you make sure it is very tight. Make sure it is very tight. Then you knot it. Then it will be like this. You can see very strong. Make sure that it is very strong on your stomach. Then the second one that you can do is that okay, you get a flat something like this. Yes, a flat something like put it on your stomach. This is the one I did. This is the particular one I did. Just get a flat plate. You understand? A flat plate. Yes. Then get a flat plate and do it like this. You can see. Make sure that it is tight. Understand? Make sure that it is very tight. You can see. You guys can see. Make sure that it's very tight. There's water on this thing. This is it. Then you knot it. Now, for people that have just tummy belt, this is how to properly, you know, how to properly wear your tummy belt. Make sure that the tummy belt is here. You can see from here till here. This is it. You understand? That is where you will be checking. Here till here is very, very important. So that is how you check it. You can see. You can see. Make sure the belt is holding your rib this side. Then to this is how it should look like. This is how to properly wear you know, your tummy belt after giving birth. As you can see, this is how to properly it will help you press your stomach and bring out all the you know blood, all this clot of blood that is inside your stomach. So guys, thank you for joining me today. If this is what you like, I want you to, if you like this video, I want you to click on the like button, subscribe for more video, and share to all the new mamas or the ones that are pregnant outside there, the one that are about to give birth. Share to them so that they will know how to properly take care of themselves. Bye. See you in my next video.